Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful automation combos out there, AI agents with n8n. Let's walk through the basics of n8n and its uses so you can boost your productivity and save hours of manual work. Let's get started. Imagine having an AI agent that works 24/7 for you, answering questions, summarizing data, even managing tasks. With an 8N, you can connect AI tools like OpenAI to your favorite apps. No coding needed. Just drag, drop, and build workflows. Here are the few use cases of N8N. First, auto-summarize emails for sending the emails automatically to clients. Second, reply to customer messages. Handle customer queries by replying to them. Third, generate blog ideas. This can generate blog ideas and even post a blog also, and monitor and alert from live data. You can simply have to create a workflow for your task and let the N8N do rest. This is the power of AI agents in N8N. Smarter, faster, automated. So why do the work yourself when your AI can do it for you? N8N offers two hosting options. Self-hosted, giving you full control and flexibility on your own servers, and cloud-based, managed by n8n for easy setup and maintenance without technical hassle. You can self-host n8n in two simple ways. Use Docker for quick setup and containerized deployment, or install it via npm for more flexibility and integration with your local environment. Both options give you full control over your workflows and data. Cloud-based n8n is a fully managed service that handles setup, updates, and security, letting you focus solely on creating and running workflows. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Are you interested in building the N8N automation workflows? Comment below. And don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe for more.